Hello, my name is FENG. In this video, we will discuss about a health insurance case study. In this part, I will discuss about the health insurance definitions and what is the basic protection of health insurance. First, what is health insurance? Health insurance is an insurance product which covers medical expenses of an issued individual due to an illness. With the rising of medical treatments nowadays, these expenses could include hospitalization bills, daycare procedures, hospital room rent, pharmaceutical prices, or medical consultations fees. However, not all of types of illness will be covered by the cost of treatments and medication by the insurance as it depends on the term and condition. To mention, health insurance is different with the life insurance as health insurance have to pay for the medical expenses such as doctor visit, hospital stays, medications, tests, and procedures. This helps to ensure that people can afford their medical care and stay healthy, while life insurance pays out a lump sum to your beneficiaries in the case of your premature death, with which the payout should be sufficient to replace the future income loss. Every individual is different and has a unique set of needs. A single health insurance product is not enough to cover every person's individual requirements. This is why there are some different types of health insurance plans available. The first one is hospital and surgical insurance. This insurance provides coverage for the cost of hospital treatments and the cost of surgery for disease listed in the policy. The second one is critical illness insurance. This insurance coverage on 36 critical illness such as cancer, stroke, kidney failure, and the cardiac disease that can be very expensive to deal with and manage in long term. This policy offers cover for very specific issues and often provide claim payout as a single lump sum payment after the diagnosis of a critical illness. And the third one is disability insurance. This insurance provides financial support in the case of disability caused by a disease or an accident that prohibit the insured from working at their usual jobs. And the last one is senior citizens health insurance. This health plan have been designed specifically for the medical needs and requirements of the senior citizen. Since older citizens are more likely to have health issues, this policy may require a full medical checkup beforehand and could be more expensive than the regular insurance policy. However, different insurance companies provide different ranges of coverage. You may have to do a comparison to see which one is fits your needs and the budget. Thank you.
So let's talk about the Wang's family background and how to purchase the insurance. The Wang is the white-collar workers and working in a big city. He is her earlier 30 and he have a happiness with a 4 years old daughter. He works in the multinational company and is usually busy with work and often works overtime. Despite this, he always takes time to accompany his family. Wang has a clear plan for the future. He not only pays attention to the happiness of his family, but also attaches good importance for the health and the safety of his family. Therefore, he decided to buy a comprehensive medical insurance for himself and his family. After he buy the insurance on the recommendations of his friend, Wang chose the Pacific Insurance Company because the Pacific Insurance Company with the good reputations in this city. This company medical insurance has wide coverage, like the comprehensive protection and simple claim process. After detailed consultations and comparisons, he bought himself comprehensive medical insurance with a premium of the 8,000 yuan per year and a coverage of the 2 million yuan. This insurance contract covers the hospitalizations expenses and the surgical expenses, outpatient expenses before and after the hospitalizations, special outpatient expenses.
Hello everyone, I'm SHUAI. I will introduce the overall claim process. The first step is the insurance claim process is notification. After Mr. Wang was diagnosed with cervical cancer, Mr. Wang's wife immediately contacted the customer service of CPIC by phone to report Mr. Wang's condition. The third step is that the customer service of CPIC provided a detailed proof provision process and suggested Mr. Wang to use the customer's official application for online claim settlement. The third step is that Mr. Wang and his wife prepared the corresponding certificate, confirmed the accuracy of the information, and uploaded all relevant materials through the application. The fourth step of the claim process is that after CPIC claims teams receives the application and all documents, it first conducts a preliminary review of the materials to ensure that the documents and the information are complete. After that, the claim adjuster checks with the hospital to confirm the necessity of the operation and the authenticity of the cost. Finally, it was confirmed that Mr. Wang's thyroid cancer and subsequent treatment belonged to the scope of major disease in the insurance plan, which was in line with the claim settlement standard. The claim review was approved, and it only took 5 days.
Good day, doctor. My name is NADIAH. Matrix number 158312 will be present about receipt of claims and the resolution of subsequent issues. As you see here, Pacific Insurance offers a fast and efficient claims process. Wang Cheng Fei's wife submitted all the necessary documents electronically through their mobile app. This streamlined approach saved them time and effort. For the best part, the review process took only 5 days. This quick turnaround meant less stress for Wang Chengfei and his family during a difficult time. Pacific Insurance carefully reviewed the claim, and because his condition was covered by his comprehensive plan, they approved it for a significant amount, which is 180,000 yuan. This covered most of the surgery and treatment costs. Wang Chengfei's experience is a great example of how Pacific Insurance delivers on its promise of fast and efficient claim processing. This can make a huge difference when facing unexpected medical bills. It is important to note that every claim is different. While Wang Chengfei's case went smoothly, it is always a good idea to carefully review your policy and keep clear documentation. If you're looking for an insurance company that prioritizes customer support and efficient claim processing, Pacific Insurance is definitely worth considering. In the next slide, we will explore potential challenges in claims resolution of Pacific Insurance. We saw how Pacific Insurance efficiently resolved Wang Chengfei's claim. However, it is important to be aware that not all claims are this straightforward. There can be situations where the process might take longer or a claim might even be denied. Here are some reasons why this might happen. The first one is incomplete or inaccurate documentations. Sometimes missing documents or errors in the information provided can delay the review process. Make sure you submit everything required by the insurance company and double check for accuracy. The second one is pre-existing conditions with exclusions. Pre-existing medical conditions are sometimes partially or fully excluded from coverage depending on the policy. Carefully review your plan details to understand what's covered. And the third one is suspected fraudulent claim. Insurance company have measures to detect fraudulent claims. Providing false information or manipulating receipt can lead to claim denial. So remember, it is always best to be prepared. By understanding potential challenges, you can ensure a smoother claims process if needed.
In this case, the medical insurance plan purchased by Wang Chenfei cover hospitalization, surgery, outpatient expenses before and after hospitalization, and special outpatient expense provide him with the comprehensive medical protection. Health insurance effectively transfer the economic risk borne by the illness to the insurance company, which is also the main manifestation of the importance of the health insurance. After Pacific Insurance Company received the CAM application submitted by the Wang Chenfei, the intercom process took less than a week, greatly reduced the financial pr- pres- pre- pressure on Wang Chenfei family. In general, the necessity of the medical insurance lied in provide customer with timely and comprehensive protection at critical moments, effectively helping family reduce the burden of the medical expense.